Dorbar Shnong Laban Henin Kasila Pynkup Burom yo MLA ke South Shlong ba Sanbor Shullai hadian bu la Shah Jied ku Myntri ke Sorkar. Uba Shullai badek mi but pet ya katanat animal husbandry but veterinary, arts but culture, printing but stationery but hakatanat legal metrology. Ulai ku bleki nong Shnong jo ke South Shlong na kabenta ka jengkershan ke jongki bola pentip bo unsa ai pra klur tingka na kabenta ban shna Thymmai ki kat tu kat ni ki surok ha ketika time.
You have elected me first. You remember 2008 when I was nominated as the NCP candidate. Again, you have repeats. 2013 again you have.
Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences